Hi and welcome to another day of Swift programming, and here is your challenge. Create a class that keeps track of your score. So it should be able to increment your score, decrement your score, and start again, so erase it. Alright, so we're going to be getting into using properties and things like that and altering those objects with functions. All right, so pause or play. It's your life and your coding life. All right, anyway, let's get to it. So class, my ScoreKeeper, or you could simplify it. You might want to do SK. It doesn't really matter. Xcode is really good for helping you fill out your code. It's awesome. All right, so what do we need in a ScoreKeeper? We need a score. So we'll need a variable, score, and let's set it to 0. All right, so what else are we going to do? What did I say? Increment. So let's make the score go up. So we need a function, increment, could be good. And to increment the score, we use the plus equals 1. A side challenge would be increment a custom value. How would you do that? Decrement your score. So score minus equals 1. All right, we're going good so far. And reset the score. That's our function for that. And score will equal 0. All right, so that's pretty good. So let's try it out. So let ScoreKeeper equal ScoreKeeper. We're going to use it. All right, so let's increment the score. Let's decrement the score. And we should print out what the score is at each of these points to see. I'll print that. Always test your code and reset. Now, if we'll need to increment again. Let's increment a couple of times here. And actually, let's create another function in here that allows us to add a custom value. So let's create a custom value. It'll be an int and put that in there. Now I did name it the same as the previous one. We'll just see, let's see what happens down here. So rather than doing 2 increments, we've got 2 options. So you can just increment it by 1 or increment your custom value. There we go. And we need to reset the score. So sk.reset score and print the score. I've done a fair bit of coding. You probably want to test after each one of those just to check that everything's working okay. But let's have a look. So let's run through the logic. You've got increment, so the score will be 1. If we decrement it, it'll be 0. And then if we increment it by 3, it'll be 3. Yep. I didn't print that middle one, the decrement one, to check it, so you might want to do that. Or just run it again, it only takes a second. There we go. So 1, 0, 3, and then reset score 0. So there's your ScoreKeeper. And then you just import it into your project or wherever you're using it, just like so. Awesome. Have a good one. Talk soon.